What are the three critical factors to being a millionaire? The three factors that you need to ensure you don't quit in pursuit of success in affiliate marketing or online business. Well, stick with me because I'm about to tell you what they are. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and on this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. One of my goals when doing these videos and working with my customers is to help you work on your mindset. Now, before you jump away thinking this is going to be all woo-woo, stick with me because I'm not going to get into the woo-woo stuff. You see, I know from personal experience that your mindset is so important when it comes to success. Whether it's in business, with money, relationships, your health, whatever it is, your mindset is a big deal. So many times people get hung up on the mechanics of affiliate marketing. You only have to look at the most viewed videos on YouTube on the topic. They're almost all about mechanics, like which platform to use, how to use Facebook ads, YouTube ads, make money on ClickBank, Amazon, how to do this or that in your business. We get hung up on the mechanics, and when your mindset is just or even more important than the mechanics. And it's harder to change your mindset, especially if you don't even acknowledge that you need to. Now, it's not as easy to shift as maybe it is to say, change your page design or how you run an ad or change a specific function of your business. It's difficult to shift your mindset compared to these things. So I want to give you some help because I know how much this helped me in my journey. So I'm going to get stuck into the three critical factors to being a millionaire, or whatever the goal is for you. It might be more or less. These are the things I've learned in my journey to becoming a millionaire, which I achieved about a decade ago now, maybe a little bit longer, but about a decade ago. Now, I don't want to define millionaire as success. However, it's a number or term most people use or strive for or define as financial success. So choose what success looks like to you, and millionaire will just be our reference for this video. So first, and probably the most important, is being driven. Successful people are driven. Simple as that. No argument required. You can't be lazy. You can't be dipping your toe in the water to see how it goes. You have to be driven and all in. Successful people are driven. The word no doesn't stop them. Running into hurdles or pebbles in the road doesn't make them quit or give up. They are extremely driven people. They craft their entire life around the success and goal they want to achieve, right? Now, I've always been driven to achieve financial success, not for the money, although that's a good part of it, but because of my family and giving them choices. Everything I did initially, and still do now, is about being financially successful. The main difference now is I'm helping others do it too, which I love to do. So being driven is important. The second trait is being bulletproof. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, here's the thing. When you're building an online business, your affiliate marketing business, you're gonna get everyone's hardest punch, right? I mean, it's like being the champion team from the prior season, and the next season, everyone wants to beat you. Everyone plays their hardest against you. When you're trying to build a business, to build success, to achieve your goals that are at a higher level than you are now, you're always going to have problems or obstacles. The people who will tell you you can't be done or it can't be done. The people who try to break you, bring you down, and they're likely to be people who are pretty close to you. So this idea of being bulletproof is about not letting outside influences dictate how you feel on the inside. So for instance, when I first started my online business, I had everyone telling me that I was too late to the party, that I wasn't made for marketing online, that people wouldn't listen to me, and that what I was trying to do was too much. But I knew if I limited what I did, my audience wouldn't get what they were looking for, and they wouldn't get the best of me. So I kept pushing forward. And so this idea of being bulletproof is about putting up a shield or guard to not let outside influences or people's opinions or thoughts influence your actions or reactions. You've got to be your own person, otherwise you become mini parts of other people, and that's just not the path to success. So you've got to be driven and you've got to be bulletproof. And the third trait you've got to have is to be informed. You've got to be smart and knowledgeable, okay? Invest in your education, your knowledge bank. Invest in you all the time. This is so you can get to the position where when you walk into the room, people know that you know what you're talking about. Now, that doesn't mean you need to read thousands of books and be able to quote from all types of places about all types of things. It's not that type of smart. It means that when you're meeting people or talking about your topic, so affiliate marketing in this case, you want to be the most informed person in that conversation. Successful people will all tell you that they seek knowledge. They love knowledge and learning. And if you're well informed, you can talk with a sense of real authority. And when you show that authority, people will instantly trust you. They'll want to know more from you, and they want to work with you and help you and believe you. It instills confidence in people. So having the trait of being well informed actually flows or presents as having more confidence. And having confidence means you present yourself in a different way, like standing taller, if you know what I mean. You see the opposite effect when people have to, say, speak publicly and they don't know their material well. They're more slouched and certainly don't portray confidence. Being well informed gives you the confidence, which other people around you will feel and notice, and that helps you to achieve more success, with these people helping or supporting you in the way that you want them to. So these are the three things that I've learned and believe are critical to being a success. Three things that without them will result in most people quitting. You're going to need others along your journey to success, and becoming a millionaire, nobody does it alone. And this means getting in the room, so to speak, with other successful people, which is going to require you to be well informed. You're going to need to be bulletproof to deal with all the shots and setbacks, and you're going to need to be driven so you keep moving forward and doing what it takes to never give up. Practice these traits every day to get the success you desire. Well, I hope today's video was helpful for you and gave you a better understanding of what causes people to quit and what it takes to be successful, to be a millionaire or even more. If you want to get step-by-step hand-holding tuition and my personal support for 30 days, click the link in the description to join my inner circle, where you can get access to me and the best online business training to start or build your online business. Thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget, click the link in the description to join my inner circle. And to continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave me a comment below to let me know what you thought of this training. I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget to join the inner circle today. Just click the link in the description and let's get you earning an online income in the next 30 days.